Good morning, beauties. Happy Saturday. Good afternoon. I wanted to jump on here because I wanted to let you guys know that I've been talking about lighting and changing up my makeup room and changing up just backgrounds and things like that. And I'm going to be rearranging quite a few rooms in the house that we're in right now. We rent a house, so I'm gonna be moving some furniture around, changing up some rooms from dining room to the 3 bedrooms. It's gonna be a really busy day for us. I'm gonna try to record a couple of it, but yeah, I just wanted to jump on here and I'm gonna show you guys the before and then the after. So I hope you guys enjoy. I can't believe I'm showing you this, but this is currently our bedroom situation. I have a ton of my kids' stuff in here and stuff like that. My small little bed that I share with my 2 babies, stuff like that. I know I have a mess in my room, but it's because, like I said, I have a bunch of kids. This is one of my dressers that is full of makeup and makeup tools. Then I also have, this is the baby's dresser. This is my husband and mine's dresser. Then I have this, and this. So this pile of stuff is to donate, and then this pile of stuff is just clothes, that's laundry that I have to put away, my makeup kit, and then just some blankets that I washed. But yes, we definitely need a revamp. I'm feeling kind of anxious in this room, so we're gonna revamp. This is gonna be the first room that we transform. Sorry if you hear me really loudly. It's just that my husband's vacuuming, so this is what we're gonna redo. We're gonna be bringing one of my sons down here. We're gonna make like a small little area for him. So this is where we're at currently. This is Operation Moving. We're headed upstairs because we broke down one bed. This is going in the trash. That's from an old bed. This is currently the mess in my child's room. This used to be my 11-year-old and my 7-year-old's room and my 3-year-old. Now it's going to be my 7, my 3, and I believe we're gonna move my baby in here as well. We've been doing this for like 3 hours and it should have been done a while ago, but we are figuring it out. My husband is injured and I have babies that don't stay still. So this is a really big project that I decided that I wanted to do. So I think I'm going to turn the rest of this. I'll probably have some of this footage in a vlog about redecorating my rooms, like before and afters. I didn't take before pictures, but you'll see after pictures. Because it is currently 4:15 and I have to put my baby down for a little bit of a nap. He's tired, so I'm paused right now. I can't get into my 7-year-old's room to work until he's down for a nap. My husband's working on downstairs for my 11-year-old. La la loo, la la loo, my little star sweeper. So sleep, my baby, sleep. La la loo, la la loo, la la loo. And this is how my beautiful la la loo melody knocks my baby out. Boom. Mama got skills. Just because
because this area is big doesn't mean it's the messiest.
So this is how it looks right now.
We're
We're still reorganizing. That's somewhat finished. Now we're gonna head upstairs. Here we are in the kids' room. We are going to clean under this, move everything in here for them. Check this out. This is under my 7-year-old's bed. Isn't this ridiculous? Yep. Time and time again I tell him, I'm gonna take down these shades, throw them in the trash, get some curtains up in here. And that's pretty much it. We have to paint. There'll be some painting here, but we'll do that later on. This is their closet. Their dad is taking those shelving down. I don't know how it gets this dirty. I honestly don't know.
Huh?
I don't know how it honestly gets that dirty. Like, how do they have all this sand and all this crap? This is the final look right now. I know we still have all that stuff on the walls. I gotta change that around, but for right now, this is where we're at. I do have a couple of little things that I gotta change. Put some stuff on this wall over there. Take these down. Figure that out. But we'll do that later on. Here is the semi-final result. We're gonna work on the window tomorrow because we plugged in the holes up there, so they have to dry. So it's my 7-year-old's bed, the baby's bed, my 3-year-old's bed. Their own little things. So yeah, slowly but surely. I clean the closet tomorrow, finish that up, and then we're headed into my bed. And my room.
Bed. Let me see. I want to see how good it is.
Next room we're tackling will be this one, which is my 13-year-old's room. And then we're going to be heading into the monstrosity of a room. This is where it inhabits 7 people, quite honestly, because I have everybody's stuff in here. So slowly but surely we're moving this. My husband took a break to go grab something to eat.
My twin's in there.
Your twin.
So, the beginning of day 1, we are getting ready to break down this room. Right? Gotta have bratty babies. So, it is day 2, right, of the redecorating of all the rooms. And we're downstairs because my hubby is in a bit of a mood.
We're watching Criminal Minds.
We're watching Criminal Minds while he takes apart my bed. And then once he's done with that and taking apart the other bed and flipping, then we're going to get into redecorating and creating a makeup space for me. I'm going to declutter my makeup and all that stuff. So yeah, sorry that it's not a lot of vlogging, but I'm not going to vlog when my husband's in a bit of a mood. Okay guys, so this is now somewhat more progress. This rug was supposed to go under there, but I don't think it's gonna work, so I kind of left it right there for right now. And then we're slowly moving. Got my DVD thing, which I'm gonna go through here. And then still having move out here. Still the bed needs to go in my son's room. Trash. And then I'm moving my makeup stuff over in that corner. We're figuring it out. We're figuring it out.
Subtract 10 is 1, okay?
You mopping?
Okay, ready? My turn.
You see? You're mopping?
1 plus 9
So far, this is where we have gotten.
is...
We're still moving some stuff. Haven't got in the hallway just yet. We're getting there slowly, but we will get there. Okay, everybody, so it is currently 6:30 at night, and this is where I am at as far as my makeup station. Don't worry about that. That is my little snack station for my children. But this is going to be my filming / makeup area. Still going to have some changes, but this is for right now. And then, of course, it's going to be / bedroom. This is my bedroom. Don't mind the laundry that I'm folding, but I figured I'll show you what's happening. So, hey, that's me. And yeah, so we still got tons of stuff that I need to put away and figure out. But you guys want to see my hallway? See my TV? I'm watching Juicy Jazz. And then that's gonna be put up. And then, woohoo, my hallway is done. Almost. We gotta find an area for that tote. And then this stuff is like just paperwork and things that I need to go through that is for the kids. Some party stuff from our parties from last year that I need to find space. I'm going to be putting up a calendar up there, and then some decorative things up here. And then, see my J-Lo? Yes, it's my party. That's going to come there. That's some jewelry that I have covered. And then I'm going to put some twinkling lights and some stuff all the way up here, and some other like pictures and things, because I hate bare walls, but you know, it is what it is. But yeah, my sons helped me and my husband helped me put this together. This stuff here I have to move around. That's my makeup kit and some other makeup stuff, hair stuff, palettes. I just have to figure out some stuff. These 4, because they're stacked, I am going to be going through and definitely giving a ton of stuff, except here. This is my ColourPop stuff that's not going anywhere. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna go through some stuff. I have makeup there, and then on these 2 things, I'm keeping these obviously, but I'm gonna be going through a lot of the makeup that's in there. But yeah, I mean, it is what it is. Like I said, it was a really big project. And yeah, this is currently my 13-year-old's room. So he has been doing some redecorating, some cleaning. And this is the bed that was in my room that is now in his room. And then we switched out his cubby that he had. We picked one from downstairs over here. He's using that. And then this is the other kid's room. It's a little bit of a mess because they were playing in here, but like I told you earlier, it's my 7-year-old, my baby, my 3-year-old. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
Hi, Enzo.
Hi.
Down from the bed. So yeah, this is their little area now. And yeah, I mean, it is what it is. Tomorrow is school. We've had a long weekend of moving things. My husband is exhausted. He's gonna come up, and he didn't have a chance to put the blinds up, but he will be putting the blinds up. You like your new room with your brothers?
Yes.
So, I mean, it is what it is. I'm done for the night. I think we're gonna leave it at that. I'll show you guys the end result once everything is put together, like everything, and we'll do like maybe a better like house tour.
So we ended up leaving the rooms just the way they are right now because it is a big project and I have quite a few items that I still need to purchase, and it's going to be a while before I can do that. So we decided not to continue the vlog, but as you can see, the progress in the rooms has happened. I am going to still be rearranging my makeup filming area. So stay tuned for that. I will probably be doing a little mini Instagram story about it. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed getting a sneak peek into my life with my hubby and my kids, then please like this video, of course, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel as always, and I appreciate all the love and the support that you guys give me, and I will see all you beauties in my next video. Bye.